Hi everyone, Maggie Nolan here from Living Radiant Photography. Today I'm unboxing something from B&H that we ordered. So first and foremost, let's bring over the box. I already kind of opened it. We got our M50. This is what we're going to be making our videos on. Also got memory cards and batteries. Great, really excited about this one. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro. This is what we're going to put on top. It's going to be beautiful. Two more things. A GorillaPod. Really excited about this one so that we can basically mount our camera. This is going to be fun. Of course, a rugged regard bag so that I have something to store it in. Oh, hey everyone. I did it. It's on. I gotta figure out how to work this.